Welcome back to SoftCars Automotive Digital Solutions channel. In this video, we will go through the step-by-step installation and activation of Xentry Diagnostics OpenShell Release 03.2026. Before we begin, ensure your system's secure boot is turned off in the BIOS. First, we must prepare the operating system. Open Windows Security and temporarily turn off real-time protection, tamper protection, and your firewalls. Next, extract the Defender Control utility. Run it as an administrator and click Disable Windows Defender to ensure no files are blocked. With the system ready, extract the core XDOS installer. Open the folder and run start.exe as an administrator. The setup wizard will automatically install several Microsoft Visual C++ and .NET framework prerequisites. Once they are configured, proceed through the standard Xentry installer prompts. Accept the terms and let it copy the diagnostic modules. Once the main installation finishes, we need to apply the offline patches. Extract the Full Fix Xentry folder. Then run the Full Fix setup as an administrator. Copy the password from the text file. Paste the password, select your language, and ensure the offline activation and DAS standalone modules are checked before hitting install. Now we will activate our software license, open ConfigAssist as an administrator, and click through the initial hardware prompts. Reach the Start Key section, choose Manual Activation and copy your hardware ID. Next, open the Xentry Advanced Keygen tool. Paste your hardware ID, set the app ID to 252, and set the date range out to 2036. Enter 1 for the license number and click Generate. Copy this license key, paste it back into ConfigAssist, and click Save. With licensing complete, we must import the diagnostic certificates. Search for and open Xentry UI to open the Certificate Management console. Extract the Xentry Certificates folder. Click Import in the UI panel and upload the 3 required CA and standard certificates. Finally, launch Xentry. When the login screen appears, type in the default offline credentials, username 11 and password 22. Your system is now activated, configured, and ready for diagnostics. To download the software, please click the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive digital solutions.